At this point, you should have solved the cube to the point where you have one side complete, and on the sides you have 2 rows complete all the way around, and on the bottom you have the middle pieces correct in the right place and turn the right direction all the way around. This next step is going to put the corner pieces on the bottom in the correct location. It will not turn them the right way. So for example, right now we're really lucky that this piece with the blue on this side, green on this side, yellow on the bottom is not only in the right place, but it is turned the right way. It could very well be that green was over here, blue was down here, and yellow was up here. That would be okay because it would still be in the right location, even though it's not in the right orientation. So what we're going to do is we're once again going to flip it so that the bottom becomes the top. And we're going to find one corner that is correct. I already know because I just showed you that this corner right here is correct. We have the yellow on the bottom, we have the green on this side, and we have the blue on this side. Now, what you're going to do is you need to figure out which direction, what this move does is it teaches you how to keep that one in the right location and rotate the other 3. So we need to find out which direction these other 3 need to rotate. I see right here that this piece is yellow and blue and red. Well, yellow and blue and red needs to go right here. And so this piece needs to go here, this piece here, this piece here. And so they need to rotate in a counterclockwise direction. Now this is where it gets a little bit complicated. If we're looking at the bottom, then since this needs to rotate counterclockwise, we're going to put the piece that needs to stay the same in the bottom left. If these 3 pieces needed to rotate in a clockwise position, then the piece that needs to stay the same would be in the bottom right. I know that's somewhat complicated, but you'll get used to it once you've done this enough times. So it needs to be in the bottom left because I'm rotating towards the left. And what you're going to do is you're going to start by moving the bottom away, towards the piece that needs to stay the same. Now, what's going to happen is you are going to move this piece, this bottom piece. You'll see here's the piece that is staying the same, so you go away from that right here. You're going to move that in the direction of your piece, and you're going to move this piece up here. Then, just like before, you're going to find this correct piece, the purple red one, and you're going to put the correct one back. Then you are going to get this piece, the purple yellow, and you're going to move it here. And then you're going to find this correct piece, the purple green, and you're going to move it back here. The way we know that we start by going this direction is because we're going this way. The way we know we're going that way is because we know that these pieces need to rotate in a counterclockwise direction. So, we're going away, then we're bringing this side down, then we're going back with each, back, back. Now we're bringing this towards where it needs to go, and the face towards where it needs to go, then back with each of those, back, and back. Now we've misplaced this piece that needs to go here, the purple red, and so we need to find it. It is right here, red, purple, and so now we're going to put it back where it needs to go. So we start by going away, then we bring the side down towards it, then we go back with each, back and back. Now we're going to bring the piece towards where it needs to go, the face towards it, and then back with each, back and back. Now we've put this piece back. However, we're not completely done with this move. Now we need to find our purple yellow again, It's over here. We need to line it up with the purple side, and now we need to move this piece to this side, and then find the purple green and move it back. So we start by moving away from where we need to go, then we bring the side down, then we go back, and back, then we bring this towards where we need to go, bring the face towards it, and back with each. Back, and back. Now we need to find the green and purple piece and put it back in its place. It's right here, green and purple. We start by moving it away from where it needs to go, bring the side towards it, then back, and back. Now go towards where it needs to go, and bring the face towards it, and back, and now our green-purple piece is back where it needs to go. We slide the purple-yellow back in place, and now we'll find that in this side we have green and yellow and purple in the right place. Here we have purple and red and yellow, even though this is in the wrong orientation. The next step will teach you how to put it in the right orientation. Right here it's the correct colors, and right here it's the correct colors and even the right orientation. So that is how you put the corner pieces in the correct places.